children. And that's it.
Just on a lighter note, your nickname Cat, is that because you got 9 children or 9 lives?
9 children.
Both. Okay. You have several companies trading under your name, and they are listed at paragraph 8.1 to 8.6. But can I just take you to annexure VM1?
I'm sorry, the statement, as you know, is not yet completed, so I don't have the annexures with me. So I have to just go through them, but I didn't have time to attach them here.
Is it not in the...
I just got them this morning.
It's in the file then.
Yes, I'm saying, okay, let me just go try and see. You say it's VM1.
VM1, it's the very first. But it is actually referred to as FA1. Here's VM.
No, Chair, I didn't hear the witness properly because sometimes it doesn't speak through the mic. What was he saying? Was he saying he didn't read the statement, or just want to get clarity?
Okay, I was saying the annexures are not attached to the statement, so I just got these things in this morning, so I have to go through and check which annexure it is.
Or you received the statement this morning?
Yes.
So the statement was written by lawyers on your behalf?
Say that again?
Who wrote the statement?
My lawyer drafted the statement. We had a consultation and he was busy typing. Then I had to go through it, and so I can check everything's in order. But I just got that thing this morning.
So you only saw it this morning?
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
SC.
Thank you. Mr. Matlala, can you just go to the first page of that document? It's a document that's drawn from Lexis Windeed, which is
From?
It's this document that has a list of your companies. Have you got it?
This thing is not labeled, so can you maybe refer what page will it be on?
It's marked page number 1 at the top, number 1 of the annexures. Mr. Forbay, can you please help your client?
Yeah, I can see it.
You see it?
Yes.
Thank you. So from there you'll see there's a list of directorships on the left-hand side. You see?
Yes, I see.
And some are indicated on the right-hand side. Your status, Black AK Trading and Supplies, you active. CAT VIP Holdings, active. Core Kabeng Trading and Suppliers, active. Amila Bottle Trading, you've resigned. Falcon Cat Trading, you've resigned. Lavindos Hair, active. Luxo Africa Brand in Investments, active. Medicare 24 Swani District, resigned. Right to own, resigned. And then YVM Yasira Entertainment, active. You see that?
Yes, I see that.
So do you, is that still, as we speak, your status in those companies?
It actually not. The first one, It actually not. The first one, yes, is active. And the second one as well. The third one is not active anymore. So I don't know why it shows active here.
So the third one, core training,
Yes, it's not active.
carbon training, you've
No,
also
Yes.
no longer, you resigned.
Yes. And Emela Butle and Falcon, yes, I've resigned. Lavindos also is not active. Lux of Africa is active. Medicare, yes, I've resigned. The right to own, I've resigned as well. And the last one also is not active.
So apart from the third one, core Kabeng trading, where you've also resigned, is that a accurate?
Deregistered, actually.
Sorry, Mr. Matlala.
I'm saying, you meaning the third company?
Yeah, your directorships as indicated here.
Yes, the company is being deregistered, so I don't know why is it still showing active.
From those companies where it's indicated that you resigned, did you just resign as a director? And are you still involved in any of those companies, maybe through shareholding?
I only resigned from Medicare as a director, but I still own shares, 100% shares of Medicare. But the rest, I resigned completely. I don't have any control over them.
Now, we're going to deal with the Medicare 24 Tshwane district issue, because that's the entity that applied for, or that bid or tendered for the Medicare contract, the SAPS contract, and you were initially awarded that contract. Is that right?
Yes.
And at the time that you were awarded,
SC, let me take Honorable Nhlanhla.
Thanks, Chair. Chair, I don't want us to leave this chamber with a wrong or incorrect impression, particularly on the statement thingy. Am I understanding the witness correctly that he says his lawyers were helping him to outline the series of events and putting it in a statement form, not that the lawyers were the ones who were architects of the statement itself? They were helping you explain what happened, what you know, and all that.
No, that's not correct. What I was saying is I was explaining to them and then he was busy typing.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. Okay, thank you, Chair. I'm covered.
thank you. Sorry, Mr. Matlala, I asked you about your directorship, or rather, I contextualized the question about the Medicare contract or tender that was awarded to Medicare Tshwane District 24 Tshwane District. And at that time, when you bid for that tender, you were then listed as a director of Medicare 24 Tshwane District. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
But then, at which point did you resign as a director?
I resigned in 2024 December.
Sorry?
2024 December.
December 2021.
Yes.
And at what stage was that tender when you resigned? Was it still pending or had it been awarded?
I've been awarded by then. By then, I've been awarded.
Had been awarded. And did you notify SAPS?
No, I didn't.
You didn't. Is there any reason why you didn't? Was that an oversight?
I'll say so.
But you're aware that you should have, you ought to have notified SAPS that you had resigned as a director.
Yes, I just learned that later.
Excuse me?
I just learned that later.
Yeah. Okay, we'll also deal with that later. Thank you. These companies, are they the companies that you also list as your interests, if you go to paragraph, the last line of paragraph 7, where you have interest in construction sites, schools, and primary healthcare services. Which of these companies are, or is it that you provide your CAT VIP protection services to construction sites, schools, and primary healthcare services?
Yes,
Is that
that's
the
correct.
connection?
Yes, that's correct.
The schools, are those contracts with the education department, Gauteng education department?
No, no.
On what basis do you contract with those schools?
I will say, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's the school governing body, because there is someone who manages the guiding division of the security business. So, but I think it's the school governing bodies.
The school governing bodies.
Yes.
How many schools are we talking about?
I think 3 or 4.
3 or 4.
I'm not sure.
Can you recall them offhand?
I was not paying attention to that. I don't know. I just know that there is a contract with schools, but the name of the schools, I don't know.
Okay. And what's the nature of the security service that you provide at these schools?
It's guarding.
Guarding.
Yeah, I think they have got computers in those schools, so they need guards there at night.
Okay. And the construction sites?
Is guarding also for the construction equipment.
And are they all private companies, or any?
Yes, it's a private company.
All private companies.
Yes.
And the primary healthcare services, are they the Tshwane 24 district facilities, or is it the Tshwane 24 holding company?
No, it's for Tshwane.
Sorry?
You meaning for? Can you please elaborate that?
Yeah, you mentioned here primary healthcare services.
Yes.
Are those for the Tshwane holding company, or for
Yes.
for the holding company?
Yes.
And are those at state or government institutions or entities,
No, that's private.
or private hospitals,
Yeah, it's clinics, not hospitals.
clinics? You otherwise also provide personal protection services, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
To how many individuals, how many persons?
It was only one person.
Only one.
Yes.
Now you mentioned to us that you provided personal protection services to a Mr. Msibi.
Yes.
Just explain the nature of your relationship with Mr. Msibi, and who was he, and what did he do? I believe he's now passed.
Yeah, that's right.
So just tell us about some background on what your relationship was with him, what was the nature of the services provided to him, and for how long you provided the service.
Okay, it was he was a businessman. He was also the founder of Santago, which is a taxi association, and then he had other businesses. And the nature of my relationship with him, he was my client, providing security services for him.
So he was your client, and for how long did you provide him with security?
I'll say from 2000. What is this year? 2001 or I'll say maybe before COVID, 2000 until right when he passed on.
And when did he pass?
2024 January, I think. 2023, 2024 January. 23, 24, I'm not sure.
So did you say 2001 or 2021?
2021.
2021.
2021 or 2020, somewhere there, yes.
I know you mentioned 3 years, so it must be sort of 2021, 2024,
Yeah,
or until he passed.
yes.
Now, Mr. Msibi, very well known, a founder member of Santaco, and he also had other business interests.
Yeah, but I don't know his. Yeah, I just know that he was a shareholder in SA Taxi. Then he also had a business called Taxi Choice.
Sorry?
I'm saying what I know that he was a shareholder in SA Taxi,
Yeah.
and also I know his other company. It is a company called Taxi Choice.
We also know that when he passed, he had a big funeral.
A big funeral,
A big funeral.
if you say so.
Okay. Did your personal protection services end, I suppose, when he had his funeral? But you would have been there because you knew him
Yes.
and you had a personal relationship with him.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You were very close to him.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we, apart from looking it up on Google, we also know from former Minister Cele that there was this funeral and he was at the funeral.
Okay.
Yes, no?
You saying I was at the funeral?
Yes.
Yes, I was.
Yeah, and what I put to you is not what I'm sucking out of my thumb. I mean, Mr. Cele had also said that he was at the funeral, and it was a big funeral.
Yes, I'm not disputing that. He was there as well. I can confirm that.
Yeah. So there were a few more other prominent people at that funeral.
Yeah.
Mr. Molefe, Mr. Molefe was also at that funeral.
Yes.
Mr. Molefe is the person who was also raided on the 6th of December last year by PKTT. You know about that?
Yes, I know about it.
Do you have a relationship with Mr. Molefe?
No, I don't.
Did Mr. Molefe have a relationship with Mr. Msibi?
Yes, they did.
A business relationship?
No, I think they were close friends.
They were good friends.
Yes. I don't know if they had any business dealings together, but what I know that they were very close.
Yeah. But you're not able to comment on the nature of their, other than a personal friendship. You don't know, you can't comment on any other, give us any other particulars or details about their business relationship.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know about that.
And Mr. Molefe, did you develop a relationship with him, a personal relationship?
No.
You didn't provide him with VIP protection?
No, I never.
Okay. Okay. Now, it was reported in News 24, and you would be aware of this article, that you had secured some premises in January 2024, premises with a hospital on it, in grounds, which houses the South African Police Services College.
Yes, that's true.
and it was alleged that the reason why you leased these premises and this hospital was in anticipation, and in fact that you knew that you would be awarded the much talked about tender, which we will discuss in more detail a bit later. So can you give us some background to that and perhaps deal with those allegations?
Yeah, first of all, that hospital, I've been trying to secure the lease for, I think, for the past 3 years. So when they saying I knew about I'll get a tender, for me, it does not add up. Because I can remember that my first engagement with Public Works, it was somewhere around 2021. And that was far from the tender being even advertised.
So just so that I can be clear, you entered into a lease agreement
With Public Works, yes.
with the Department of Public Works,
Yes.
not with SAPS.
No, Public Works.
So the building and the ground is owned by the Department of Public Works, not
Yes.
SAPS.
No, Public Works.
But the building is it a hospital?
It's a hospital, yes.
So at the time that you entered into the lease agreement, I think we had also requested a copy of the lease, which if it could be made available so that we can complete your evidence in this regard. That hospital and the grounds were still occupied by SAPS, South African Police Service.
As far as I know,
So were you never given vacant occupation of the hospital?
no, they refused.
And the lease, you say, is it still in operation as far as you're concerned?
The lease,
Yes.
yes.
So I assume that there's a legal dispute between you and Public Works about the hospital and the lease.
There's no legal dispute.
Well, you haven't been given. The lease would have provided, I suppose, for you to get vacant occupation of the hospital.
Yes, I've got a lease, but when I went there to do the inspection, I found the members of the ACPS in that hospital. And I went back to Public Works as the landlord to tell them that there's people who occupy the hospital. They say, can you please facilitate so that I can occupy the hospital? And then that's when the police refused. And then I think I ended up sending him a letter that if you don't let me occupy the hospital, then I will take legal action.
Well, that's why I asked. Are you in a legal dispute?
No, there's no legal dispute.
Has it been resolved, or are you still not in occupation of the hospital?
Yes.
What's yes?
I'm not, yes. I'm not even now occupying the hospital.
So why would you have wanted to lease the hospital in the first place? For what purpose?
So where the hospital is, it's inside the training college of ACPS. So I just learned that the students who are training inside there by the college, sometimes they get injuries, or even when they sick or whatever, they have to go to the nearest hospital, which is outside the premises of ACPS. So I wanted to use that hospital as an opportunity for them to render the services for them.
So you still haven't been able to give effect to what you wanted to do, and why you leased the hospital?
Yes.
Did you lease the hospital? Was it leased through, as I understand, and we'll also deal with it a bit more fully later, as part of the franchise that you bought from the holding company, Tshwane Medicare, or was it Tshwane Medica Holding Company that was going to utilize the facility?
The list is under Medicare 2420, but Medicare 24 Holdings, they are the one who doing the operations, management and operations.
So maybe while we on this issue, when did you first take an interest or become interested, and even more so from a business point of view, in the healthcare, medical care business?
I was introduced by my colleague who, me and him, we stay in the same estate. So he is the CEO of Medicare 24 Holdings. So he approached me and he said to me, there's a business opportunity in Medicare 24. So
Your friend is that Mr. Van Wyk that you're referring to?
yes,
And Mr. Van Wyk and his other partner, what was his name?
Rian Venter.
Rian Venter and Mr. Van Wyk. Are they the founders of the Healthcare 24 holding company?
Mike Van Wyk, he is the founder.
Mike Van Wyk.
Yes.
So when did you first meet him?
I'll say around 2017.
2017.
Yes. 2016, 2017, somewhere there.
Is he and or Venter, are they the ones who
Yes.